So guys, here is another two questions that we're looking at for your quiz. Let's look at let's say we have rectangular prism. This is very ugly. Let's try to do something better than this one. All right, so let's say we have this rectangular prism, and let's say the volume of this prism is 504 cubic units. All right, so centimeter cube. Let's say our length is 9 centimeter. Let's say our width is let's say 7 centimeter. Let's say we don't know what is the value of my height. What is my height? Now, the first thing I need to know is what is the formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Now, all I need to know is the length times the height, length times the width times the height. And all I need to do is to plug my values into their respective areas and then just make H the subject or solve for H. So let's go ahead. So we say our volume is 504 is equal to the length, which is 9 times let's see here, 7 times H. Now, what is 9 times 7? 9 times 7 is 63. And so 63, let's give us 63 times H. Now, all I need to do is divide both sides by 63. And I think this will give us 8. So H is equal to 8 centimeter. Let's move on to the final question. That's true. Now, let's say I can't draw these things very perfectly. But let's say this is like half of a sphere. Now let's say we want to find let's say our radius of this sphere is let's say it is 4 inches. And I want to find what is the volume of half of my sphere. Now the idea is, in order to find the volume of half of my sphere, is for me to find the entire sphere and then divide it by 2. So the formula would be the volume would equal to 4 divided by 3 times pi r to the third all divided by 2. And so let's go. So we say 4 divided by 3 times 3.14 times 4 raised to the third power. Let's see, we'll use our calculator now. 4 divided by 3 times pi times 4 times 4 times 4. That gives us 267 point. Let's run this out to the nearest tenth. 94 all divided by 2. So 267 divided by 494 divided by 2 gives us 133,197 centimeter cube. And so there you go. Finding the volume of half of a sphere. Oh, it's not centimeter, it's actually inches. Inches cube. Inches cube. So there you go. Find the volume of half of a sphere, and one of the dimensions of what are the dimensions of rectangular prism? So there you go. I hope this would be so helpful for you as you prepare for your quiz. Have a nice day.